Here, to all my friends, sa lahat ng nakakilala sa akin, maraming salamat. Wala po ako sinasabi dito. Wala po ni isa dito na sinasabi ko po. Pero may sinasabi po na mula po ito sa iba't ibang mga pahayagan. Mula po ito sa iba't ibang mga vloggers, content creator sa ating bansa. Na kung saan ito po ay may layunin na nagsasabi na ganito po ang ginagawa ng mga taong ito. Or where is the people in this country who instead to lead for the greater future of the Filipino in these nations, but they are doing bad things towards our money in government. Especially, they are corrupting the money in the government from the ordinary taxpayers of the government. And paying of those trolls, in the government, from the government funds, from the government money, in order to their own interests, to uplift their own reputations and popularity, not only here, but around the world. That we could not to understand why these kinds of people, instead to leading our country, but we are falling into the very not the people to understand what kinds of law or bylaws we are right now. So here, I am here not only for us, but I am here if ever there is someone get angry with me. Then I do not have the holdings for your accusations and fabricated allegations against me. Na kung saan mayroon kayong binayaran na mga iba't ibang lahi for the troll in the government, especially from the people of Bangladesh, India, and many others. They are paid for how many thousands from the government's money. So that you can understand with that. Especially for those people who are using for our money in the taxpayer. Here in the Filipino people belongs to the very ordinary citizens of this country. Di ba? Na bakit kayo magagalit sa sinasabi ko? Totoo naman po ito. I am not telling not truth here, but all of these are truth, beyond the truth. Di ba? Sana po huwag kayong magagalit. Huwag po tayong magagalit if ever po nakurap po tayo. If ever po na kinukurap po natin yung pera ng taong bayan, instead to leading our country. Lahat naman po kayong nakakaupo dito, mga kurap po kayo, especially those agencies and organizations in the government. No? May mga kurap po dyan. May mga kurap. Mind you, may mga kurap po dyan. Kurap na kurap po. No?